Good evening, viewers. If this is your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to click the red button and also share my video with your friends and family. You can share it on Facebook, Instagram, so that the message can go around. Today I just want to contribute to what is going on concerning China in Africa. We all know that China was used in order to come to Africa to build those fake road, fake train, fake everything, so that they can get into us. And because we have leaders who have no vision, they accepted them to come, feeling, oh, now we are going to deal with China without investigating who China is, because they are the dragon. And they also, we suffer the same problem with the Europeans, because they beat us so that we cannot react when it comes to things that concerning us as a people. And now we left Europeans and then go to China again, that we know all these people, they don't serve for our own interests. They are all racist organizations in different form, in different platform. Now, the same Chinese are the one building our road. What happened to our universities? What about those who are claiming they have PhD in different fields, doctors, lawyers, whatever? Where are they in Africa, especially Nigeria? I'm talking to Nigeria because Nigeria is the most problematic country of Africa. Because if Nigeria develop themselves as other region, other continents do to their own people, like America, if there is a problem in this part of the world, people from the north can run to there. If there is any other problem in Brazil side, Brazil, a lot of their neighbor will run to them. Now, what is Nigeria doing? Who is going to run to them when there is a problem within the African country? So today, now the same Chinese are bringing things that we know this sickness of a thing come from them. And when we have a Ebola case, nobody come for our rescue. We battle it only. It was not world disaster until when this issue of corona, which is a trick, came. And then now everybody contribute and say, oh, it's a world disaster. All Africans stop their economy, and we know that this thing is going to hit us. And we are depending on the director of WHO, of which we should know all our leaders. Anybody they only put that person there in order to deceive us as a people, just the way they put Obama and whatever. But we don't use our head. Sometimes we just believe anybody they improve, this person is going to save us. That's how we voted the president of Nigeria today, that now people are complaining because we don't take our time to search. Now the Chinese are bringing things upon the voice of the people. People say they don't want Chinese mask. We don't want Chinese vaccine. We don't want nothing. Let them stay with whatever they had. But our leader open border for them to be coming, open flight, airport, everything for them to be coming into our nation. So I think it is high time we youth, we should use our head. Now that the information has gone round, we hear what the brigade wife said. Brigade has paid our leaders. They have paid them. They don't care if you people are dying like animal. They will only bury you. They have the money for their family, everything. They have been promised everything. So if the wife came out and said by now, they know their target because they are using the Chinese. So don't bother about the media, what you hear in the media, because there are a lot of contribution. You see a lot of people. All these people, they don't have our interests in mind. And especially it's a pity that some of us who claim to be learned, by the time we are learned, we look more stupid and foolish. So this is what is going on. So the youth who have no power, you should learn. You should learn.